Hey guys, and welcome back to Lee Slot Cars. For today, a mystery unboxing, and you know I love a mystery unboxing. Now, this isn't a complete mystery. It is a mystery because I haven't got a clue what's inside it. But as to who sent it, I think I've got a very good idea. Now, I'm no detective, okay? Let's put that on a record. I'm not a detective, but having watched a recent video by Dave from Slot R, and if you don't know who Dave is from Slot R, then you've either been living on Mars or living under a rock or in a dark room with no internet. And we all know what you people are like, don't we? But anyway, if you haven't checked out Dave on Slot R, subscribe, check him out. Some great material. Anyway, on his video, he said that he had 3 packages to give away, 2 of which didn't know it was coming, and 1 person he asked the address for. Now, Dave, not so long ago, asked me for my address. So my detective skills are, yeah, pretty strong in this case. But, you know, I have been wrong. So I don't know what's in this. God, I'm waffling so much. Really excited to have a look. So, what's the best point of entry? Looks like it could be here, I think. So it says fragile. That was a bit like me on New Year's Day, to be fair. Just a little bit fragile. Okay, enough of this. Enough of this trying to be careful when using a blade. Let's go in the old-fashioned way. Brute force always wins the day. Bit of brute force. Okay. Bit of blue towel. Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. What do we have here? What do we have? I'm just going to read it in case it's not rude. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Okay, this is from Dave, and I won't put the letter on there, but it's basically saying here, Lee, here's a little care package to help you lift your spectators on your track out of the 1950s and into the 21st century. Keep up the good work. Can't wait for your new big build. Well, the big build is on its way. Dave, fantastic, mate. I'm really looking forward to this because I know that you have been very busy on your 3D printer, and I've seen a lot of the work that you did. Oh, that is so cool. Look at that. That is brilliant. Oh, I'm going to have some fun painting that up. I got some great fun with that. That's absolutely fab. I know that Dave was very excited to get his 3D printer, and oh my God, there's loads of them. Dave, there are so many. This is brilliant. Thank you so much, buddy. I really, really appreciate this. I'm going to go look. Oh my God, it's never ending. Oh, look at this little chap. Look. Little mini tubby kid. Just don't want to lose any, that's all. Oh, look at this. Such detail. Can you see? So good. These are going to look great in a cafe. Dave, I cannot believe how many. Oh, this is unbelievable. I'm going to have a good close look at them in a sec, but let's get them unpackaged and we'll see what we've got here. But that's so good. I don't know how well the camera's picking it up. Whoa. Hang on a minute. That's me and the missus. Oh, that's fabulous. I love it. You know what? I mean, I'm going to look at each and every one of these, but I probably won't do it on the camera because it's probably not going to be that interesting for you. But for me, this is absolutely like gold dust. Oh, look, oil drums. brilliant, absolutely brilliant. And you know, not only is it good for adding detail to the track, I actually really love painting the figures. And it's quite hard to do and it's quite fiddly, but it's so therapeutic. I don't know what she's doing down on her knees, but I'm sure we can do something. We've got little pallets there. All drums on the pallets. Oh, this is so cool. This is like the box that keeps giving. It's never ending. Oh, don't look so sad. Brilliant, look at these little scooters. Dave, seriously mate, this is absolutely incredible. I love it, absolutely love this. What have we got here? Right, this, oh my God, it's such small scale. This is a coffee machine. It needs unclipping, which I will do, but with loads of tiny, can you see the detail on it? Let me hold it about the other way. Tiny little mugs, coffee cups. And you know how much Dave likes his coffee. So once this is trimmed off, this is going to be like a coffee machine with loads of mugs. So let's just clear some of this blue paper out of the way and pop it back in the box. And I will go back through that when I'm done, just to double check there's not anything left lying about. So we've got scooters, are brilliant. I love that motorbike, it's so cool. 3 scooters, motorbike. You've got these bins, which could be anything really. There could be food waste bins in kitchen prep areas in the cafe. Got the coffee, as I already mentioned. Oil drums, we've got 4 of those. 3 of the pallets. Oh, I nearly lost a lid and a base. But there you go. And then so many figures, all shapes and sizes. I mean, that could be Jeremy Clarkson or cameraman. That's me thinking, what can I do next on the old layout? I wonder. Such a variety though. I keep coming back to this one, it's brilliant. It's so cool. Yeah, there's a little fella there. I'm not really sure what's going on. She's straightening his hat, look. He's got to look right. Got to look right for the job. Yeah, he's checking out the results on his iPad. Fantastic. There's such good detail. You must have had a lot of fun making these, Dave, I'm sure. Little suitcase. I missed that, didn't see that. Oh yeah, get them leg stretches in. See, that is the stance that Mrs. Lee makes when she sees another parcel come from the post. Lee, what have you ordered this time? This is brilliant. Do you know what? I'm not going to stand here going through each one because I'm sure it's not very interesting. But for me, it is absolutely brilliant. I love this, Dave. Thank you so much, mate. I'm going to have a lot of fun painting these up and getting them on the layout. And I'll send plenty of updates of how it's all going and how they're fitting into what I'm doing on the new layout. Big thumbs up, Dave. Thank you so much, buddy. And like I said, guys, if you haven't checked out Dave, his channel is Slot R. You can't miss it. He's a legend. Thanks for watching, everyone. Thank you, Dave, so much, buddy. And you all take care, my friends. Bye-bye.